All right, cool. Good luck, buddy. Gotta get used to it with the iPad. For your grandson, how damn old? How old are you? I thought you were like 30 years old. Good luck, Grandpa. $31? Are you being serious? No shit. Okay. Alright. Man, that is crazy, dude. That is crazy. Anyway, dude. Cool, man. Youngest granddad in the country. Alright. I got to beat a Matthew Stafford number to 10, right? Matthew, this is awkward. Okay. I got to beat the Stafford. Juju Schuster, $2.99. That's not going to beat Matthew Stafford, I can tell you that. Yeah, Fournette Shield would be nice. Get you some Grand Slam dollars for that. David Joku, $2.99. One hit so far. Is that the Big Daddy? That's something. Let's slow roll it. Fabric of the game, KB. Benjamin? Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. Number to 99. Good grief. I better pick it up, or old Matthew. Woo. Need a good RPA, man. What in the... I need a good RPA. Antonio Brown to $4.99 and Khalil Mack. Come Come on, man. Don't let me down, certified. Melvin to 99. Those are pretty cards. Is this the RPA? No. Kelsey. Chris Wormley. Justin Evans to 50. Oh. Got 2 more hits, right? Is that Fournette, dude? Tell me that's Fournette. Dude, somebody tell me that's Fournette. Looks like Fournette. Please don't be freaking Kareem Hunt or something. Do y'all want to look now or do y'all want to wait till the end of the box? What y'all want to do? Doody doody. Looks like freaking Fournette to me. All right. Dalton says look now. Here we go. Are we going to get it only at Grand Slam? Is that him? Better be his ass. Boom! Only at Grand Slam, baby. Whoop, whoop. Come on, let's be a logo shield. God, be something dirty. Number to 99, dude. Boom! Boom! I told y'all Certified was better. He's off the sticker again, that stupid idiot. But and a Vontez Burfict too. But ain't nobody gonna argue that my boy. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, that fool. They should not pack this card out with that sticker, man. That's missing on 2 spots, man. That's Panini. It's a great card. Great card. But that's wrong. They should give him a new card with a 4-color patch. I mean, maybe I'm being sensitive, but dude just hits a monster. Boom. Yeah, Matthew loses. Matthew loses. Good hit. Good hit. Nice. We'll get some thick top loads, boys. It's a great card, Mike. Are you on there? You already... Give me a second. I'm going to get a nice or a thick penny sleeve. There it is. We still got a hit, dude. Yeah, you did call it, bro. Only a Grand Slam. We need to get us some T-shirts. Take over the nation with that. Take over the nation. We've been lucky with Fournette here, man. I don't know if I've pulled a McCaffrey except today someone pulled one. Okay. We still have a hit too, I think. Yeah. We get 4 hits in certified, so. Is that an auto? Dude, I think you got... Oh, no, yeah, here it is. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we got. MD. Matthew Days, who cares? At least number to 50. Number to 50. One more pack. Kuechly. Rice to 299. Rogers. Heck of a box. Heck of a box. We got his cousin over there. Yours is 46. Mine is 13. 13 of 99. Yours is 46. Nice. All right, man. Nice hit. Yeah, no problem, man. Okay, I'm going to put all yours away, and then I'll catch up with you on Friday or whatever. Whatever it was, whatever you said, I wouldn't Okay, that's Hesson. Spread the word, man. Spread the word. Get all your cards too, not just the hits. Mike, man, I think I've pulled you something every time, dude. Anybody else want to rock certify? Because that stuff's going to be good. All right. Somebody hit me up if y'all want to. Just message me. I'll be around. I'm open another hour or so. Congrats, too, bro. Great card. You want to certify, Brandon? Tell me which one you want. There's 3 on the front and 4 on the back. Yeah, that Howard cracked ice, man. Just tell me which number. 1 through 7. Let Mike pick. Mike didn't pick Mike's. Oh, Nate Dogg picked Mike's. But go ahead, Mike. Tell me 1 through 7, buddy. Yeah, but go ahead and pick yours. Oh, Brandon, you want 6? Oh, my goodness. This is going to be crazy. Somebody's going to buy 5. All right, hold on. Brandon, you want 6, right? Oh, my goodness. This could be Grand Slam history right here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grand Slam. Pull the reverse negative. The reverse on it. All right, Brandon. Here we go. Oh, you want 5? Hold on. I think he says yeah, hold on. You crazy. All right, dude, hold on. Let me go back and get 5. Box. He says he wants, which was 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Still number 5. Okay. All right. Check out, we paid for the rights to our little dude today. Check him out, dude. Hee hee. Check out his helmet. Is that not hilarious? Look at his helmet. It's got the Grand Slam logo in there. Yeah, he's going to be... Hey, Jay, I got a box for you here, dude. I didn't know if you were local. Are you local? I was about ready to message you, dude. I'm glad you're here. Yeah, 6 is over here, dude. There's 6. This is gonna be disastrous. Yeah, that right there, that guy right there, he goes digging for gold for y'all. He gonna pull out some monsters. All right, let's stop messing around and get to business. What did is LT in this stuff? Yeah, he's gonna have some cards in here. I'm pretty sure. Hall of Famer. I would say he will. Jay Alexander. No, there's one left, Dalton. One left, bro. Just for you. I'm going to try to top. I want to hit a logo shield, bro. All right, this is box 5 for Brandon. Brandon W. All right. Yeah, man, I'm looking forward to Unparalleled, dude. All right. $9.99. Alex Smith to $2.99. Oh, Brandon. There's an auto. Is it upside? Yeah, hold on, let me. Breeze will slow roll. Is it Watson? Oh, good grief. DeMarcus Walker. I thought we had DW. Okay. We got to give Brandon first shot, dude. If Brandon wants it, we can't do him that way. But if he doesn't want it, man, I say, you know, you can have it. But hey, I need to hit you up anyway because I need to know about if you're coming in. If you're coming in to get them or what. I want to make sure we get you squared away. Okay, 6 goes to Jay Alexander. He's cool with it, Jay. Oh, here's the RPA, dude. No messing around. No, that's just player worn. That's a David Johnson patch. Jersey, yeah, to $3.99. Need that DeMarcus Walker. Y'all need to come down to trade night August 17th. Bring your cards. Bring your cards to trade or bring your cards to sell to that little man in the gold rush. In his little gold mine outfit. Okay. Yeah, I knew that. I couldn't remember if you paid. I didn't know whether it needed to be shipped or what. I'll go ahead and get yours packed up too. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pack up this stuff once we're done. Did Dalton take the gold standard? Eli, $4.99. So far uneventful, Brandon. Delaney, Josh Malone. That's a pretty cool card. $1.99. Do we have a hit in every pack here? Yeah. Oh, we have 2 hits. I think we have 2 hits. Nah, but it's... Ooh, this is thick. Maybe it's just... HCH. Carlos Henderson. It's a patch number to 25. Nah, but it's tempting. Yes, it is. Okay, Jay, cool. I'll open yours in just a second. You want 6, right? Justin Evans. Alshon, Von Miller. This is thick, whatever. Oh, yeah, it's a patch. All right, guys. Here we go. JJ. Looks green. There's green. Freshman fabric is an emerald, like numbered to 5 or something. Oh, my gosh, it's numbered to 5. Oh, who is this? Oh, my gosh. This ought to be just dirty. Wayne Gallman, but good grief. Look at that card. Ugh. Dude, this card would have been massive in some of these other guys. Is Wayne Gallman any good, guys? Is he like one of the mid-range guys? Somebody tell me something. Okay. Well, we're about to find out if it was... Somebody tell me if Gallman's any good, or Gallman. Gallman. What's he bringing? Number to 5. I know. I mean, whew. That thing needs a bigger top load. Hold on. Y'all lose service or what? Because I'm not seeing anybody. Is Gallman any good? Okay, this is Brandon. Now we're going to Jay. Let me make sure. Dalton, did you send over your money? Need to make sure here. I'm got to keep up with this. J. Alexander, Hesson. Brandon. Who's Elizabeth Jones? Well, if a number to 199 sold for $15, or did it sell for 15, or were they asking 15? If this card sold for $15, number to 199, that's a big card. Okay, that's right. I got you. Elizabeth is Jason. Yeah, Brandon, just send your. I think what you owe is for the certified. That Gallman is a good card if he actually sold for 15. If it sold for 15, that's probably 100. Don't y'all think it's $100? I mean, surely. On eBay? Don't know for sure. Uh-oh. Brandon, are you going to watch this, bro? This. Good luck, Jay. Good luck. Let's see. There's no way if a card numbered 199 actually brought 15. I mean, that's just a guess. An emerald to 5 is a big card, I think. Okay, Brandon. All right. I think I'm missing your last payment, dude. Okay. Yeah, we just have to see. I'm curious. That's a card I'm curious. I sure as heck would sell it. I say that, and then he'll be a freaking, monster. What position he play? Wide receiver? What position does that dude play? Is he a running back? He doesn't give you any information on the cat. Got to be a running back, right? 30. I just opened it. Can you see, Jay? I can start a new one. B. I lost service. Running back. Okay, good. Yeah, running back's good. Let's wait a second to see if Jay's on. Jay, can you see? Hey, we're going to just start a new video for him, okay? Is he a wide receiver? Okay, this is Jay. What we're going to do, dude, is we're going to hop off here and let him, I think whenever you lose or whatever, you can't get back on there. Give me like 2 minutes, guys, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to log off and then just go right back to a new video for him. This is a box for J. Alexander, okay?